Hi guys, this is Shiwo. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's quick tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fill shapes with a picture in Adobe Photoshop in just less than a minute. Yes, you hear it right, you can do it in just less than a minute. Now go to Toolbar and select the Custom Shape tool. And here you can select different kind of shapes you want. With this Custom Shape tool you can really find some awesome custom shapes. There were a lot of shapes that can help you here. So now let's try this tree. Just pick any shapes you wanted to fill with picture. Then resize it whatever you desire it to be. So now, just pick any picture you wanted to fill your shape. For me, let's try this galaxy to fill in my tree. So let's resize the picture over the shape so it can fill all over the shape. So as you can see, I just put the galaxy picture over the tree shape. And now this is the most important part. Now just hold the Alt button. Hover your mouse over the layer of the picture and click the Alt button. And that's it. You can now move the picture or resize it and it just filled the shape of yours. So now let's try it again with another custom shape. And as you can see, there were a lot of different kinds of shapes here. So let's pick this reindeer. By the way guys, I am using Adobe Photoshop 2020 version. This version has a lot of features that were not in the previous versions. Let's repeat what we did in the tree. So put the galaxy again over the shape. Just always remember the secret key guys. It's the Alt button. With that key you can also fill the letters, your name and anything. I recommend guys that you start experimenting in Photoshop because that's how I learn in Photoshop. And guys, that's how you fill a shape with a photo. So if you have any suggestions, questions or requests, just comment down below. And if you like this fast tutorial, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Be safe guys. See you on my next tutorial.